Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So one of the things or the modifications we've done to this GP is actually installed a double DIN head unit, which has given us lots of features. So we've got sat nav, we've got music, we've got Siri on demand, everything, which is brilliant for driving and listening to music. One of the drawbacks you do have is you lose those cup holders that are just beneath the controls of the car. So there's two cup holders, but because you bring in that dashboard lower down, you actually lose those two cup holders. Now there's one in the back, which is okay if you're on your own, in between the two seats, unless you've got, I think, an armrest in the middle. There should be a cup holder at the back in the middle, fine. Driver's perfect. But if you've got a passenger with you, then actually, where are they going to store their drink? So it was a problem I didn't envisage, but there is a solution for it. So there's lots of great work going on in the 3D printing space over the last few years. And one of the products that I found on Etsy actually tries to solve this problem. So I've ordered it. I think I was talking to someone on Instagram. They commented on a post saying, well, where are you going to put your drinks? And I was like, okay, let's see what's out there. Found this product. I've ordered it. So it's not sponsored or anything. I've literally ordered it for use in my own car because I'm going on a road trip. My dad's coming with me, so he's going to need somewhere to put his coffee in the morning as well as mine. So I've bought one of these just to try it out and see and let you guys know, does it actually work as a product? And if so, what sort of size drinks we can fit into it. So it couldn't be easier to install. So let's grab hold of it. And we've got it here. So it's 3D printed. So you've got this main bit that goes into the cup holder itself. Then in here, there's lots of inserts. You can see we can take those out. Now that can take the biggest of drinks. And then you just switch those out for different sizes. The good thing with this is it isn't a one size fits all. It's take out whatever insert you need to fit the drink that you've got. So if you've got a thinner bottle, you can put it in the smaller one. Keep taking it out until you find the right size from what I can see anyway. Finish wise, it's not too bad. It's not the worst 3D print I've seen. It's got like a nice texture on the top, and you get the lines you'd expect to see from a 3D printed object. So obviously it builds up layer by layer. Well, let's try it in the car now and see how we get on. Okay, so we've just stepped into the car. Please ignore the mess in here currently. So it needs a good clean and tidy because we've been doing lots of jobs throughout. But you can see here where we've got the double DIN head unit, all these controls have moved down south. So this would hit any drink. So if I grab a cup and you try and put it in, you just can't get in because the controls are in the way. So we need a solution. Now, the way this works, you can see it there, that actually inserts into there. Now, because I've fitted a scan gauge, it's a little bit trickier, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. So I'm going to put the camera down so it's a little bit less wobbly for you and give it a go. Okay, so I've sat out the way so you can see we've got the cup holder down here in the 3D printed object. Now I can't get it in past my scan gauge. You wouldn't have that problem, but I'll push that back and then all you do is slide it in. Install should be as simple as that, but I did try test fit before doing the video, and one thing I noticed was it doesn't fit snugly. Is it because the rubbers on the inside of these are old now? I mean, it's 2006, so maybe they're not as strong. But you can see we've got that movement now. Does that movement help steady the drink? I don't know. I mean, let's get for me, it feels like it should be solid rather than moving all around. But out the gun, I'm just a little bit worried about that wobble. Now, that's something I think we can solve. So I've got here just some tape. So it's just, you could use electrical tape. I've just got this to hang because it's black. If I pull this out, actually, let's take some of these inserts out so they don't fall out. You can see, if we just wrap this round this little section, so this is the bit that goes inside the original cup holders on the car. And all this is doing is making it a little bit thicker. You won't see it, be hidden away, but it just adds an extra layer of resistance. I'm hoping, if I get this right, it should work. Okay, so you can see I've just wrapped that around there. Let's go for test fit number 2. Right, I can feel already, there you go, nice and snug. That isn't going anywhere, so that's perfect. Let's put the cup inserts back in. You can see it doesn't invade too much of the leg room here, but it just gives a cup holder nicely for the passenger. But let's test it. So I haven't got a small enough bottle. I don't know what type of bottle would be that thin, but I've got a can of Coke there. That fits perfectly. That's not going anywhere. So we're good on that. Let's take this cup next. So it's a bit like a McDonald's cup. Now, I'd probably take that second one out. Now, it fits, but there's still a bit of wobble. But what I've noticed is you can take this final insert out and your cup will drop down below the bottom. And that, for me, seems to be the best fit for a lot of them. So actually, I don't know how much you would use some of these in between. Obviously, for a can of Coke or a bottle of water, that would drop straight out the bottom. So you definitely need to use the insert for that. Let's try a bigger cup. So we've got this big cup, and these are all full of water as well. So that's quite tight in there to the point that it comes out. But again, take that insert out. It doesn't drop through because it's bigger than the hole at the bottom, but I think you'd be absolutely fine. That's not going to go anywhere. So that's that bigger cup. Now, the children have these sort of like Stanley type cups. Again, a little bit of movement, but I think that would work. Let's try the bigger insert. And I think this is designed for these type big cups. I don't think it's going to fall or go anywhere. It's not a perfect fit. Let's try that again. When it doesn't drop through the bottom like that other cup, that would be ideal if it did. But it's not far off, and I don't think it would spill, but I think definitely for these sort of size cups or for the can, I think it seems ideal. So it'd be that one. So that works really well. So much better now that we've put that tape around it. So I'll bring you in closer so you can see it. Okay, so if I bring you in now, you can see this is what the driver's side would see. But this cup for me, cup holder, is probably a 7 out of 10 product. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description below and also put it on the screen now where I bought it from on Etsy. I think it's 100% one of those where it solves the problem. No, it's not an OEM solution. It's not perfect, but like for this road trip I'm going on with my dad, this will be perfect. I don't like the look of it in terms of I wouldn't keep it in here all the time, but especially for when you're doing road trips, etc. I think there's something to have in the glove box. Whack it into there because you wouldn't have this scan gauge in. It'll insert in like a second. You wouldn't have to push that out of the way. So if you found today's video useful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get alerts every time we upload new content to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.